The time has come for me to change my Brita filter. Before I go too far along, I will remove the old filter. I also take this chance to clean the parts of the jug and free it from all the grime it has accumulated. I have the new filter. It tells me to rinse it under cold water for 15 seconds, so I will do just that. I'm doing it. I'm going to reassemble that now clean Brita jug. I can see the crease on the filter, and I know that must align with the ridge inside the cylinder in the jug. I push it in good and tight so it will stay and not leak. Just need to put the lid part back on now, and it's complete. Because it is done now, I can pour water through. It says on the package there may be some carbon dust in the first 1 to 3 fillings of water, so I make note of that and consider pouring out the first batch. I conclude my filter changing mission now, hoping those who have observed reap the benefits of this new knowledge.